Hello everyone, I am Evan, data scientist from ML Experts Lab. Today I am going to show you how you can run your Claude Code for free on your local machine by using NVIDIA NIM API. So NVIDIA claims you can request up to 40. You can request up to 40 per minute request per minute. So that's really a huge number. So let's get started. For this we have to open a terminal first. So I have already opened a terminal. So now we have to install UV first, and then we have to check it. So let's install first UV. For UV you need to just search it, install UV. So here you will get the link. So we are going to use bash, so that's why terminal, so that's why we copy this and then we paste it here and install it. So it will take some time. So after that, it's already installed, you can see. So after that you have to install the Python file. So I'm going to copy it. You can find it here too, but I showed you from the link. So copy it and then paste it here and install it. So it's already installed because I have installed before. So then you have to clone the repository. So NVIDIA NIM repository. So just copy it and paste it here. So it will download the repository, and then you have to do the cd NVIDIA NIM. You have to go to the folder, and then you have to copy the environment file. If I show you the environment file, if you write open dot, it will show you the folder, NVIDIA folder. If you click command shift and dot, you will see the all of the hidden files here. So here we have to copy the environmental file. So we are going to copy this and again paste it here. So then now we will open a cursor for edit the environment file. So I'm going to use cursor dot and then enter. So it will open the cursor file here. So you will see the environment file here. So now you have to go to the NVIDIA NIM file. Then you have to sign up there. So here you will find this link, NVIDIA NIM. So you have to just create a new account on NVIDIA NIM, and then you can see this. So for now you have to do the go for a model. So you can select a model from here. So any model you want to use. So for right now, I'm going to use DeepSeek V4 Pro. This. So you can use any model which is for free right now. So you can use any free model right now. So I'm going to use DeepSeek V4 Pro. This is the free model right now, and you can also use GLM 5.1. This is also free. So these are like Claude model, like similar to Claude model. So from here you need to From here you need to click on view code, and then you are going to see the model here. So you have to copy just inside the quotation. So copy the quotation, copy the model name only. So then you have to go to the cursor. So I'm in the cursor. You have to find the model. Where is the model here? So here is the model. So you will see NVIDIA NIM. So after that, after NVIDIA NIM, you have to paste it here. Then you have to save it. Again, you have to go to the NVIDIA NIM. So you are going to find it here, NVIDIA NIM API keys. So if you paste it here, then you will be go to here. It will take you here. So or you can just go to NVIDIA NIM and then go and search NVIDIA NIM like this, NVIDIA NIM. Then it will take you to this, and then you can find you have to find now API keys. You will find it here, API keys. So then you have to generate a new API. So you can name it anything. So I am just using it for a test purpose, and you can expire it like for never expire. You can use never expire, you can use 12 months, 6 months. So I'm going to use it for 1 hour because I will remove it after that. So then generate key, and then I am going to copy the key. So for this token generation, if you want to generate the token, you have to verify your number. So for this you have to be listed, your country has to be listed in the NVIDIA list. So you have to check it right now. You can go to there and like check it right now. If your country is listed, then you can add your number, add your phone number, and then you can verify, and then you can generate the API key. But otherwise you cannot generate the API key right now. So a few countries are not available there, but most of the countries are available right now. So you can go to you have to go to the cursor. You can use VS Code or anything to just you have to just edit the .env file. So I'm going to paste it in NVIDIA NIM API key. Here I'm going to paste it, and then I'm saving it again. Now my work is finished here. So I'm closing the NVIDIA. I'm closing the cursor. So again I'm going to go to the here. Now you have to do something like, now you have to do NIM API in your local server. You have to just copy it and paste it on here. So it will just build a local server on your terminal. See, it's already started. So then you have to take another window. I'm going to take another terminal. I'm going to make it bigger so that you can see. So then you have to install the Claude Code. So you are going to find it here too. If you can search it, Claude Code install. So if you search it, you will get it here, install Claude Code. See, this is here. So you can copy it, or you can copy it from here, Claude Code. Just paste it here. It will install Claude Code on your machine. It's taking time, so it's okay. So then you just have to copy all of this. So it's already installed, I guess. See, it's installed complete. it shows installation complete. So if you use Claude help, then you can see the code. See, it's already working. So now you have to do another thing. You have to just copy this, the whole, and paste it here. So, and it is asking for accessing the folder. See, this is working. Now you can write on your Claude Code. So it's Opus 4.7. see, it's Opus 4.7, and you can use 1 million context. So if I ask it which model are you using, so it will tell you which model is it using. See, it's Claude Opus 4.7. so it's already paid software. It's a paid right now. Opus 4.7 is, you have to pay for Opus 4.7. You can do something like let's see how GPU is using when I'm asking something here. So for this you can use Mactop. It will show you here like this, GPU usage and how many cores are using, how much memories are using. If you want to install it, you can just install like brew install Mactop. So it will install the Mactop for you, and then you can use Mactop. So it's already installed. Now you can see Mactop, and it will show you how much GPUs it's using. So let me ask this something. So can you tell me anything about like a viscous flower, I guess. So it will so you can see now how much GPU is using. So it's already answered. See, it's already answered. So this is a good model. This is actually a very good model because I have already used it. I have already used it for a very much, very heavy task, like a project. For a project, it's a heavy task. So you can see this. I didn't close this window to show you. So this is actually a very good model. So Claude Opus 4.7 it's really a very good model. It's right now paid model, so it's obviously a very good model. So it's worked really well for me. So that's for today, and hope you guys like this video. And if you like this video, please like and share this video, and comment if you want something else, or if you have faced any challenges. So comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching this video.